that up.
Oh, there it is.
Got it!
Fuck you, Freon. Oh, Freon's still there.
Oh, the Freon's still there. Look at this.
The aftermath of the refrigerator.
The Freon's tomorrow. God damn.
Hey, James, that might make a pretty good tailgate.
Nah, it's aluminum, but I will
That was-
recycle it.
Fucking cool.
Holy Jesus. Okay,
Yeah,
that went way better than I thought.
That was definitely...
We need another refrigerator. Anybody has a refrigerator, we want it. You hear me? This is going on YouTube.
You're going to get new refrigerator.
Yeah, 5 a week though.
Yeah.
I gotta, go to work and stuff. This is only a good idea when you're drinking.
This is how you scrap.
We don't drink. Much.
I don't drink anymore, and I don't drink any less.